Hey guys, it's your man Chevy Rob here at Waldorf Chevy. Welcome to Truck Month. Today I'm standing next to a 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST Black Widow. Now, what makes this different from all the original Chevy 1500s is the 6-inch lift that's on this vehicle, and then also the Black Widow badging that you're gonna have on the vehicle as well. So that's what makes this vehicle different from all the 1500s that I have on the lot. And if you want to do your off-roading, it also comes with the Z71 off-road package. So if you're looking for a truck here in Chevy, for Chevy Truck Month, come see your man Chevy Rob here at Waldorf Chevy. See you later.